Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Paramount Plus buffering issue. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply open the application or the browser if you're using, and then the first thing that you have to do is just simply log out of your Paramount account from this option which you will find over here, which is the gear option. Just simply use that and log out of your account. Once you will do that, if you're using the browser, just simply go to your browser and clear the cache for this particular website, which is going to be Paramount Plus. And if you're on an application, just simply clear the cache file of the application itself. So go to the settings in both your phone and browser if you're using browser. In settings, just simply search for cache in browser, and for the application, just simply search for the app, and then inside the app you should find the cache file. Once you'll find the file, just simply click on this drop down box and clear all the files right over here by choosing this option. And then once we'll do this for all the Paramount Plus files, just simply restart your browser and see if your issue is fixed or not. So if you're still facing the issue, just simply check your network connection, if your network is available or not, and if your speed is down for some reason or not. If that is the case, you will still face the same type of issue. The third thing that you can do is you can just simply disable all type of ad blockers that is installed on your browser, because sometimes ad blocker may cause some type of issue in the streaming service of Paramount Plus. And make sure also to disable all type of VPN if any one of them is enabled. And lastly, just simply check the server status for Paramount and see if the server is down or not. Just simply go to this particular website and look for the server status. And as you can see right over here, currently there is no type of problem in Paramount Plus in my particular region. If you have any type of problem, you will see it right over here. And if there is a problem, the only thing that you can do is just simply wait for the problem to be solved. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.